Alright, this is TJ from Fat Boys Garden, giving you an update on my plantings. Alright, on yesterday, February the 26th, I went in, I got this bed here planted with, let's see if you can see that. That is cherry bell radish. Over here, we planted some broccoli called Rab broccoli. Back there, in that bed, we did some kale, lacinato kale. And in that bed, we did Wando shelling peas. I've always had good luck with those peas, so I'm hoping to continue that streak of good luck with those peas. I planted a whole pack in there, so we're going to get quite a few plants in there. And what you did see yesterday is I got all those other pallet beds pulled up. Got all of this all cleaned up. And now I'm getting ready to mix up this dirt up here. This dirt has actually been sitting since last year. So I'm going to redo my pallets, redo all my buckets. Those are the buckets that I still got left to pull out. And mix up that dirt. But I'm going to put it all over here and mix it up. And put my pallets back down. And then I'm also got to finish up my water system. You know, last year I had 3 of them sticking up out of the ground, watering this entire area, and found out I was wasting a lot of water. So what I'm done now is I've got these raised beds with sprinkler heads on them, and I'm still trying to adjust the water where it's not spraying all over the place. And then I got to go to Home Depot and get some more PVC pipe and some more connectors, and I'm gonna get water sent to these 4 beds up here. And let's see, I may have done a little more organizing up here. I don't think much, but hey, it looks better than it did 2 days ago. And then down here, I am actually going through those buckets there and using that bed over there to mix up that dirt and get it all fertilized and get it re-put back into those buckets. So once I get that done, then I'll be ready to get started planting over here in my lower bed, which is all pallets. Well, this is TJ with Fat Boys Garden with a garden update, a planting update. And we'll see you hopefully in about another week.